Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Addison as an alien from zombies. So let's get started. To draw cute Addison, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here, draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another circle. So now that I have my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that my eyes in, let's come to the sides right here and let's just spruce them up with some lashes. So maybe just two curves, and same thing here. And from there, let's give her some brows. So I'm going to come right up, say about right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft arc and right down. And let's thicken them up. And I'll just shade them in. She does have pretty dark brows, right? So same thing over here. Go slightly up and then down. And thicken it up. There. Okay, so then now let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, just gonna go ahead and draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. Then let's come back to the sides where her eyes are. So the top of her eye, I'm gonna come out really close and say about right here. And here as well. And I'm going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come down with a curve around her eye. And I'll find my center and say about right here. I'm going to give myself a point, and then from there I'm going to just angle this a little bit so it's not too round. And I'm going to bring it to my point right here. So then that's my center, then I'm going to go right back. Just angle a little bit and connect right there for the shape of her face. Then from there, let's bring this up. So I'm going to angle it in a little bit. And here as well. Just give it a little bit angle. And then I'm going to just connect it on the top with a curve that goes all the way around. So just a little bit angular over here. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the sides right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve right here, really close to her face. And I'm just going to curve it out. And the reason I want this little space is so I can tuck in this little ear. And same thing here. So just in this space, just a little curve, and then add a little curve right here for her ear. Then we're going to come to the sides right here, above her brow, say about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve that comes out. Same thing on the other side. So just drag a point about right here. Just a small curve that comes out. And then from there, we're going to go up, up. And so I'm just going to draw this curve up top for her, top of her head. To about center, and then just come right back down. Trying to use some angle so it's not just like this big dome too round. Okay, it looks really weird, but it'll all come together soon, I promise. Then from there, we're going to, let's come right here so it doesn't look so weird. We're going to come right in this space, and I'm just going to draw some curves. So we know that this is her hair. Soft curves there. And so this part right here is where her hair is kind of tied up on a half pony. And so I'm going to come right here and thicken up this curve. But I can't finish it yet because I want to draw her body first. But there's going to be another part of her hair right here as well. So I just kind of want to show you for now so it doesn't look so weird. But there's another part right there. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. So let's finish her body. So let's come to the center right here. We're going to give her this little neck there. Well, actually a little bit thicker because she's kind of having this little turtleneck thing, right? So we're going to come down, angle, and same thing here, angle. And before we finish that angle, let's come into this space and we're going to draw this deep V so we know what's going on here. So in this space, I'm going to come right here, draw a curve that goes across, little curve right here, so we give her a little neck, and then we're just going to fill in this space with another V. So then she has these very pointy shoulder pad things. So her armpit would be about right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. Just kind of know where everything is. And I'm going to bring this out. So about right here. And then I'm going to angle it in to my point. So same thing here. Just angle it out. Back to that point. Then let's draw the body right here. So I'm going to come down, kind of straight, and then bring it in for her top. Straight, and then just bring it in. And about right there, we're going to connect. And let's give her a belt. So we're going to come straight down. She has a pretty thick belt, and then connect once again. And now that we have that, let's come out with her skirt. So we're just going to poof this out. And let's see here. See how one side is a little bit shorter. So say about right here, I'll stop and I'll bring this one down more. About right here. So it's a little bit lopsided. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a curve all the way across. There. And then I'll add a trim right here for her skirt. And then let's draw her legs. So let's have this side coming out a little bit. So our center, once again, here and here, and her hips. So let's work on this leg first. I'm going to bring this out. About right there, I'm going to stop. Add a little cuff. But if you're using a pencil, just go all the way down first. Make it a little bit easier. And then we're just going to continue once again. So this is her boot. And I'm just going to bring this out. So this kind of straightens out, and then this is going to curve in and connect for that shape right there. And so let's work on this side. So this one is going to be more straight on. So right here. And once again, we're going to connect just like the other side. And then pop this out. And going to curve in. So we're just still continuing this leg. It's going to get thinner right here and then pop out. And we're just going to try to aim to end at the same level. There. Okay, so then now for some details. I'm going to curve. I should go up here first. So a cuff. And there's a center one right here. Bring this over, and then another one. So same thing on this side. There, for her alien boots. Okay, so we have that. Now let's go ahead and finish off her arms. So I'm going to imagine her outfit. So about right here, I'm just going to pop out another angle and bring it in. So this side, okay, let's work on this side first. I'm going to have her hands end about right here. So come right here And we're going to angle it down. And let's thicken up her arm, her elbow. Bring it in to about right here, and I'm going to connect it. Right here, I'm going to add an angle, another angle, and then a little finger to simplify it. So on this side, I'm just going to have it to her side. It's a little bit simpler. And so right here, once again, we're just going to angle. And let's see here. So her hands to her side, so about right here. We're just going to come in a little bit where her elbow would be, and then we're going to bring it out. And her hands would end about right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck it in. And her shirt, so just end it right here. Her sleeve is shorter on this side, and she has these gloves. So if you have a lot of space here, you might want to just thicken this up a little bit so her arm doesn't look really fat, too wide over here, I mean. And that is pretty much it for that part. So then now let's go ahead and finish her hair. So I'm just going to bring this down to about right here, give it one strand, and then right here we're just going to go ahead and wobble. Nice long hair. Get a little strand right there and just end it. So same thing here. Little curve. And then once again, just wobble, get a little strand, and in. And let's see here. Hopefully that looks like her hair. I'm just simplifying this part. And okay, so then now for some details, she has like this little pattern here with some circles, and same thing here. And her belt is going to come right in the center, and there's a circle. I'll just draw one line across, and there's some circles here as well. And right here is another pattern, so it's kind of like this triangle. And a bunch of circles. I'll just simplify it and put in 4. And that is pretty much it for my version of Addison here as an alien from Disney's Zombies 3. I really hope you love her just as much as the original Addison that I drew as a cheerleader a while ago. Please check that out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Drops of Cute videos. See you later.